night. So today, we're off to Manchester. I looked around and realized this is one UK city we've never been to. I've been here for 2 years and we've never been to Manchester. So let's take care of that. Let's go over, see what's in the city, go to the city center and see what it's all about. So let's go and do a short tour of Manchester. So the Starbucks debate is pumpkin spice because it's the fall or just normal flavors. But it is pumpkin spice season. Which one would you get? So, mocha frappuccino with caramel drizzle. And Blair got the
pumpkin spice frappuccino.
And now we're off to Manchester. In Manchester, we're out, we're walking around the city center. The kids are all complaining that they're hungry. It has been a long day, so we're going to get some food. We're heading to the Arundel food court. I think I'm saying that correctly, Arundel. The Arundel food court was basically just McDonald's and KFC and a lot of fast food. We want something with a little more flavor. I didn't come all the way here just for like McDonald's. So we're gonna try to find a nice restaurant to get some lunch. Hopefully we get something good. Cool things that we noticed as we were coming into the city is that there are a lot of murals all over the place and a lot of new buildings going up. It's really pretty because all the buildings have a slightly similar look to them. Hopefully I can show you some of those. Listen, we've been to Cardiff, we've been to Edinburgh, Liverpool, but this is our first time in Manchester. And so far I'm not disappointed. I really like the way the city looks, seems to have a good vibe. People seem to be friendly and there's plenty of open space, especially to walk around the city center. We've been walking around for a little while down here in the city center looking for a nice place to eat, and we're going to try this place here called Las Iguanas. I don't speak Spanish, I speak French, but Las Iguanas is what it looks like. We're going to go give it a go, see if this is pretty good. There's several places to eat right here. I think this looks like the best option for us with the kids. Total bust, they're only doing reservations today. There's so many bookings, so we're heading over to walk to work. We tried this place before, it was really good. We had it when we were in Birmingham, so we're gonna try that. Yeah, so I really like the setup at Walk to Work. You get to pick your base, your noodles, and then you get to pick your meat if you want vegetables, if you want any meat, chicken or beef or whatever you like. You can pick your sauce and then just kind of build it to order. So it's great. We got chicken on the rice noodle. It's really good. Saigon sauce. Yeah, every time I've come here, it's my second time. I've really enjoyed it. This tastes even better than the first time I was here. So yeah, it's rating pretty high for me. Here that's behind me. If you don't walk into here, you won't know how great it is in here. And it really is nice because it reminds me of St. Stephen's Green when I was in Dublin. You can see a similar architecture design, something dating back to like that 1930s and 40s era, but the coloration is different. Either way, it's still really nice. Let me show you some of it. You know, one thing I really love about these city centers is that they have all these little tucked away nooks and crannies, all these great little places that if you're not walking down here, you won't see them. So as you walk into the area, you go down the street, There's a little turn, you go down there, and it opens up into be something really nice, and I really love that. So that was a great lunch at Walk to Work, and now we're heading to the cathedral because those are normally so big and beautiful. The one in Peterborough is so nice, and I want to see what the cathedral here in Manchester looks like. After 2 years in the UK, finally made it to Manchester. I'm excited. Been wanting to get over here for a while, but just never had the right time. Today is the right time. And the city is bustling. People everywhere. Just a great vibe out here in Manchester today. Really wasn't expecting this great statue of Mahatma Gandhi that they have right here, but the architecture of this cathedral is really wonderful. It's just so pretty. I want to see if they're open, see maybe we can do a quick tour through the inside if they're open. Designed by architect John Waystall, the Manchester Cathedral was built between the year 1421 and 1882. As a beautiful example of Gothic architecture, the cathedral has all of the characteristics of the style, to include large stained glass windows, pointed arches, vaulted ceilings, gargoyles, and flying buttresses. Luckily for us, the cathedral was open to visitors and admission was free. Cathedral was really beautiful, just a nice, wonderful cathedral. Again, a bit smaller than the Peterborough Cathedral, but also still very nice. Historical, if you get a chance to make it to Manchester, I suggest you make it over there. And then, of course, coming out of the cathedral, there's this nice, look like German beer halls, you know, a lot of places to get some libations. Really wasn't expecting to see like the classically historic pubs. One of them says it was established in 1552, so I wasn't expecting to see that. And some of the buildings actually still look like they were around in 1552, just right outside of the cathedral though, just a nice juxtaposition. It's a really nice shopping center. We just went through the Lego store. We love going into Lego stores. I have 4 kids, so that's my excuse for going in there. But yeah, just went through the shopping center here, and I think we're about ready to head. I've been over here about 4 hours just kind of enjoying Manchester and everything you love to see here, and I think it's really good. It's a great place to come and visit. We'll definitely be back. This is our first quick tour through Manchester, but we'll definitely be back. We had a great time in Manchester, but if you know of another city that we should go visit, drop it in the comments below and we'll see you there.